Ever wondered how to transform your space with just a simple vase? What if I told you there are not just one or two, but 10 captivating vase design ideas waiting to elevate your home decor game? Let's dive into the world of endless possibilities and discover how these ingenious designs can breathe new life into your living space. Opt for monochromatic elegance with a sleek, single-color vase in white, black, or gray. This minimalist approach exudes sophistication, letting the flowers command attention. The simplicity of the neutral tone adds a touch of refinement to any space, making it an effortless choice for enhancing your decor with timeless elegance. Combine different materials such as glass, ceramic, or metal to create visual interest. A glass vase with metallic accents or a ceramic vase with a textured finish can add dimension to your decor. Embrace vintage charm with retro-inspired designs on vases. Seek intricate patterns, delicate florals, or Art Deco motifs to infuse your home with old-world allure. These nostalgic accents bring character and personality to any space, creating a captivating focal point that celebrates the beauty of bygone eras. Opt for vases in unique shapes and silhouettes to make a bold statement. Consider geometric designs, asymmetric forms, or oversized vases to add drama to your space. Switch up your vase decor seasonally by integrating seasonal elements like pine cones, seashells, or dried flowers. Opt for warm, earth-toned vases during autumn and winter, and choose bright, airy vases for spring and summer. This dynamic approach keeps your decor fresh and in tune with the changing seasons, adding versatility and charm to your home throughout the year. Bring the outdoors in by selecting vases inspired by nature. Look for designs that mimic organic shapes like leaves, branches, or rocks, or choose vases made from natural materials such as wood or bamboo. Add a pop of color to your decor with vibrant vases in bold hues like red, blue, or yellow. Mix and match different colors to create a playful and dynamic display. Don't be afraid to mix and match vases of different styles, sizes, and colors for an eclectic look. Group them together on a mantle or sideboard to create a visually striking arrangement. Choose vases that double as works of art, with sculptural forms and interesting textures. These statement-making vases can stand alone as decorative accents or be filled with simple blooms for added visual impact. Create a sense of tranquility with minimalist vases in clean, understated designs. Opt for simple shapes like cylinders or spheres in muted tones like beige, taupe, or soft pastels for a serene and calming effect. Feeling inspired by these 10 vase design ideas? Don't let the creativity stop here. Experiment with these concepts, mix and match styles, and infuse your home with your unique personality. Share your vase design journey with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. Let's continue to beautify our spaces together.